Hey, I'm Heather. Do you love yarn? Love creativity? You belong here at Strings and Threads, your go-to spot for crochet, knitting, and a fun, interactive community. Let's create together. Subscribe now and join the fun. Hi guys, welcome to Battle of the Stitches Reveal Week, October of 2025. And I am really excited to reveal what I made, and I'm really excited to see what everybody else has made. I did have somebody guess what mine was, which was pretty cool. I used our stitch of the month, the alternating eyelets stitch. I used it for the vase, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. And then it's just kind of like a Halloween pumpkin plant holder. So I just wanted to do something that was kind of festive for the season, but also used our stitch of the month. So make sure you check out everybody's. I have a list of everybody who is participating in my description, so go and check them out. I'm going to also post them in our Facebook group, so if you're not a part of our Facebook group, make sure you go and check out Battle of the Stitches on Facebook. I have a link to it in my description, and you can find everybody there as well. And, make sure you participate with us. If you're interested in joining us on YouTube, let us know. If you're interested in participating but you don't want to do videos, make sure you post your pictures on Facebook. We do prizes on Facebook when people participate and show us what they've made. So it's a lot of fun, and I thank you for watching. I hope everybody has a great day. Bye!